Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. If you're serious about crypto, now's the time to focus. The market is showing some very interesting signs, and if you're not watching closely, you could miss key shifts in trend and sentiment. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so let's begin with market volume, which is one of the best early signals for potential breakouts. What we're looking for is consistent growth in daily trading volume, not just spikes, but sustained liquidity staying in the system. When volume holds above key ranges and creates higher lows, it usually signals that stronger moves are ahead. Until then, we stay patient. Now onto market sentiment, specifically the long-short ratio. When the majority starts leaning heavily to one side, especially towards shorts, the market often likes to go the opposite way. Extreme imbalance rarely lasts long, and smart traders know that when things get too skewed, a reversal is often just around the corner. We pair that with liquidation data, which is another key clue. Large spikes in liquidations often mark moments of exhaustion when too many positions get wiped out at once and the market resets. These flushes can act as catalysts for major trend shifts, especially when paired with volume surges and sentiment extremes. Let's also touch on ETF flows and institutional activity. When large entities begin moving funds into crypto assets, especially through regulated vehicles, it's usually a sign of confidence, not necessarily at the bottom, but as part of a longer accumulation or reaccumulation phase. Tracking these inflows can help identify when interest is returning behind the scenes before it becomes obvious on price charts. Sentiment indicators like the Fear and Greed Index or alternative panic metrics often show fear at times when prices are stable or even rising. This kind of divergence, when people are scared but prices are holding, is a classic bullish signal. The market often climbs when doubt is high, not when everyone is euphoric. Moving over to technical structure, Bitcoin's strength can be evaluated across weekly, daily, and short-term charts. On higher time frames, what we want to see is a clear change in trend, from lower highs and lower lows to higher highs and higher lows. That's when structure flips from bearish to bullish. On the daily chart, key levels act as pivot points. If price holds above major support zones and builds higher lows, it's a sign of reaccumulation. If we see that confluence across multiple timeframes, especially on the 4-hour and daily, that increases the probability of continuation. Now let's quickly highlight the top altcoins. For Ethereum, reclaiming previous breakdown zones and holding strong above them is essential for any meaningful upside. Solana often reacts sharply at its midpoint levels, so we watch those zones for either rejection or breakout confirmation. And for Cardano and XRP, while momentum has slowed in the past, keeping an eye on volume and trend changes will show whether renewed strength is building. If this video helps simplify the market for you, let us know in the comments. Until then, stay sharp, stay informed, and stay ahead. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.